Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is an announcement video for an upcoming 75 Hard Challenge Season 2. For those who don't know this challenge, basically it is in limelight nowadays, especially among fitness enthusiasts. What they do is follow 75 days of daily exercise, strict diet, read a non-fiction book and upload their selfies or reels on social media which shows their daily progress. Now why this challenge is considered hard? That's because around 90% of the people fail in this challenge. But the top 10% who pass this challenge become more disciplined, focused, and can clearly see improvement in their bodies, mind, and other aspects of life. On our platform, we started a similar challenge in July, which ended in September, and recently the winners were announced. Once again, congratulations to all the 3 winners. Now we are coming again with this challenge, which will last for 75 days. What we do is we'll read Harrison topics daily as per schedule. There will be mini tests each week. There will be 2 mini tests each week. Other than this, we'll try to follow an exercise routine daily for 20 to 30 minutes. Try to have a balanced diet without any junk food. So these 3 things will be minimum requirement for the challenge. Other than this, you can also add something like reading 10 pages of a non-fiction book or any hobby which can be beneficial for you in the long run. Now all the participants will be added to a WhatsApp group on which we'll discuss the questions, doubts of medicine on regular basis. Also this WhatsApp group will function like an accountability group so that you remain on track. The schedule has been divided into 10 weeks. We'll basically cover neuro in 3 weeks, nephro in 8 to 9 days, endocrine and cardiology in 3 weeks each. At the end of each week, each of the participant will have to post a video message summarizing their entire week's experience, what have they learned, how much improvement they can make in the next week or any other experiences. This way, everyone will motivate each other to study hard, exercise a few minutes daily and follow a good diet, which is very important being a doctor. One important thing that there will be complimentary revision videos which will be available only on the app. Hard copy of complimentary workbook will also be provided to you so that you don't have to take printout of the PDF files. So we'll send you a hard copy of revision videos workbook as well as a clinical logbook to your address. Now, who should enroll in this course? So this course is ideal for the students who are targeting NEET SS March session, INA SS April session, as they will be able to complete 4 units by then easily along with their specialty subject. But keep in mind that this time the schedule which has been formulated is slightly tough and would require at least 2 to 3 hours of daily reading of Harrison. So join the challenge only if you will be able to spare this much amount of time daily. Secondly, medicine residents, especially who are in their second year and third year, would also be getting some free time so they can also start learning Harrison and reading the daily chapters along with this challenge. Finally, the practitioners who just want to brush up things, study new guidelines, algorithms would also be benefited with this course. Now, after these 4 units are done, we'll again start the remaining units after February. So likely would cover them in the next challenge. Students who enroll now will also have access till then. At the end of challenge, there will be a grant test. So firstly, let's see the schedule of the 10 weeks. In 3 weeks, we'll cover neurology. There will be 2 mini test in between. You will have to post an accountability video at the end of each week and you can also watch the revision video pertaining to that week at the end of each week. So this is the schedule of neurology 3 weeks. Then we have nephrology which will be covered in 8 to 9 days. Then endocrine in 3 weeks and finally cardiology in 3 weeks. So at the end of the challenge, there will be a grant test comprising 100 questions from all the 4 units. How will the winners be decided? So firstly, only those who will post their weekly video on the accountability WhatsApp group will be considered in the challenge. Weightage would be given to students who have attempted maximum number of tests on the app. So total 19 mini tests will be there in these 4 weeks. But most important factor would be grant test which will be conducted at the end of these 75 days comprising all 4 units. So grant test will be on 15th Feb 2025. So 25% of weightage is given to the attendance in total 19 tests, 25% weightage is given to the marks in 19 test and 50% weightage will be given to the marks in grand test. So as in the previous challenge, top 3 winners will get iPad, tablets and smartwatches, and 4th and 5th ranker would get free renewal of the app subscription. Also, if you are interested in joining this challenge, you have to enroll in Internal Medicine Revision Series course on MediLectures app, and first 25 enrollments will be getting extra 40% discount by using the coupon code 75HEART. Thank you so much. Hope to see you on the other side.